Well, right now, researchers around the world are testing more than 20 coronavirus vaccines.
And scientists say there is some encouraging news about one of them out of London. WBZ's Dr. Mallika Marshall shows us what they found.
Researchers are testing an experimental vaccine being developed by the University of Oxford and the pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca. The study in The Lancet looked at more than 1,000 healthy adults and found the vaccine induced strong immune responses.
What this vaccine does particularly well is trigger both arms of the immune system. So in addition to neutralizing antibodies, which other vaccines do, we also see a very strong T-cell response.
Researchers saw the strongest immune response in the 10 people who got 2 doses. Half the people in the study got the coronavirus vaccine. The other half got a meningitis vaccine. People who had the COVID vaccine had side effects, including fever, chills, and muscle pain more often than the other group. Dr. Barry Bloom is with the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health.
They gave a small number of individuals the equivalent of Tylenol, called paracetamol in the UK. And that lessened the symptoms quite significantly to make them more tolerable without compromising the immune responses.
Now researchers will enroll tens of thousands of patients to see if the vaccine is actually able to protect people from COVID-19. Last week, a study on an experimental coronavirus vaccine being developed by Moderna and the National Institutes of Health showed it was well tolerated and prompted an immune response with no serious adverse events.
Vaccines remain the world's best hope at controlling this epidemic.
And then there was another study published just today that found that an experimental vaccine developed in China also was safe and induced an immune response. So I think the hope is that there will be a number of vaccine options available because, as you know, we are going to need billions of doses to try to protect our planet.
And of course, Mallika, no one knows any hard dates, but do you think this does put us on track for something, some kind of vaccine answer at the end of this year or beginning of 2021?
I mean, I think that's the hope. You know, it would be really optimistic to have it at the end of this year, but certainly, hopefully, by the beginning of next year.
Of course, everyone around the world sharing that hope. Dr. Mallika Marshall, thank you.